Hello everyone, this video is abs ki damakta samja video ni ado mayam na full exercise same view ado 5 time repeat tawraga si ki exercise 20 second of view is exercise aduga marakta 15 second rest of view ado mayam ai channel bu subscribe to view, share to view, support to view ya topa fitness ki video mathang dasu upload tawjarakani. Amba exercise mean jumping jack ni asi jaina warm up amasung full body workout ki damakta hama thamjabri mayam asi 20 reps of you ado makha gi taba exercise continue to you. Second exercise mean leg raises kawi mayam asi mainly lower abdominal ado the lower abs ki damakta samjaba exercise ni mayam asi 25 to 30 reps of you ado 15 second rest tawraga makha taba exercise amu continue to view. Third exercise meaning abdominal crunches kawi mayam asi se full abdominal ki damakta samjaba exercise ni asi su mayam 15 to 20 reps to view ado mayam da khanganing ba matana abs of the abdominal uhan ga ba taradi diet chu clean to view hena mapan ki pot sinabino. Fourth exercise meaning plank kawi asi se mayam ahamba 40 to 50 second of view makha tabasum mayam gi strength matungina helan view. Thank you. Masidi matang solution jaraga alo mayam ai channel subscribe to wa copy ganu ai channel bu share to view like to view comment to biro mayam comment gi yenga ga soi makha taba video sem matam bating phangani. Thank you.